So in this chart, this framework, this is our original box right here, saying this is the primary range, and then if boys can get it up into the next box, great. If you look at the next size boxes, then you'll come over here and you can see this 93 zone, right? This 93 is 75, 93 and a quarter area is the next box. So in this relationship, this box is from here to here. And that's why we said this 39 was something we needed to watch, because above that the market was bouncing. 92 achieved. So any day high in this move. It doesn't have to end at 87, 88, but we said this would be our high end today, we thought, if the market could get there. And that's an explosive move from down here. So that's double topping over here, but the goal again is to take these guys out and these guys before they're done. I'm pretty confident that even on a pullback, they'll probably try to defend it and get back up here. But you can see us bumping into that line right there. And if you're looking at something like the RTH charts, you know, we have the 3-minute chart on. This is a picture of power. This is just, get out of my way. You know, once we regained that 68 and got above the 68, they've used the gap. This is a double gap. So this is back into the same tricks that they were using before. And you can just see this over here on the 30-minute chart. You can see it. Solid. A manipulated move. I said earlier, they didn't get it back here to lose the battle. Try to buy that 72 and a quarter. At the time, that was our middle. And then the push takes out the high, and here we go. And that was the target that I was thinking they were aiming at. And they could go even higher. Let me see, flip-flop. I don't have the math updated just because of the kind of day it was, but we could even get to the, I didn't think we'd get there. Let me see, 338. 99.75 is actually a measured move. I did not think we'll get there. And I don't, you know, happy into the 92 to 94 if you're trading. And my guess is that someone will want to take some profits by the end of the day. So if we're looking at rules of thumb, you know, anybody that's working off of this leverage right here, don't forget the previous high was back here, right? 83.75 gets taken out, so you know target becomes first 85 to 88, and then the pullbacks get bought. And then if they get back up and in this neighborhood again, their target is going to be 92 to 94. What an amazing day. So anybody that's trading now should take profits and don't worry about the last little chunk change. Even if it's another 5 points, who cares? Make sure you get paid. And it appears to me that this right here, this 85, is probably the key support right now. And this is a 5-minute chart. In a Globex chart, it's going to look like this. Here's your 30, here's your 5, here's your 120. Mike said earlier today, Mike said that the 120 chart looks great. And he was absolutely right. Boom. See, once you turn the corner and you pull back into rising moving averages, they theoretically should be bought above the blue line and then go to attack the pink line. And you can see that dynamic on the 60. Bought the bought the blue and then comes up above it and then sits here and bounces. That's the way it behaves. Look at your 240, same thing. Gives you potential targets. So this was a great head fake by the boys. Absolutely great head fake. And once you turn your mind around, then you can see what they're trying to do. Because, you know, first things first. Well, once we get above this high, then it can stretch and take on anything in this bar. And that was yesterday, was coming to that, to accept that reality that they were coming this way. That the, you know, this part of the big move was over, and this would be a 456 trade. Questions? Be happy to answer. And again, not a know-it-all here, just trying to teach what I've learned. 15-minute chart, we said in play. Look at this thing. We talked the other day about the spider pattern, that it's reaching up, that it's a stretch pattern, wants to bounce higher.